imagine a world without cancer? Well, you can ride, run, or volunteer to support the anti-cancer movement. Take part in the Anti-Cancer Challenge, where every dollar raised goes towards life-saving research. Joining us now from the UCI Chao Family Comprehensive Cancer Center is Dr. Richard Van Etten. So you started this Anti-Cancer Challenge. Tell us a little bit about it. How does it work? And the people are good on those bikes, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you, Alex. Thanks, Colleen. Great to be here. The Anti-Cancer Challenge is a way to fund research at the Chao Family Comprehensive Cancer Center. So we're Orange County's only NCI-designated cancer center, and we have a major mission to generate new research about cancer, its causes, prevention, and treatment. As director of the center, I have a great need for funding for that purpose. So the Anti-Cancer Challenge is an event that's designed to address that. It's an athletic event, peer-to-peer fundraising, where participants raise money from their friends and their family in their social media contacts.
And Doctor, you have a personal reason on why you're focusing on trying to fight cancer. Can you tell us about it?
I do, Colleen. My own mother, I would say that cancer is very frequent in the United States. Soon it's going to overtake cardiovascular disease as the leading killer of Americans. So it's a rare person in your audience who will not have been touched personally by cancer. My own mother actually had two different forms of cancer. She was diagnosed with breast cancer. She beat that disease only to succumb to uterine cancer years later. So she had an incredible influence on my life in terms of stimulating my interest in science and later in medicine. And it's one of the reasons that I became a cancer researcher.
And we're so grateful that you are, and everybody's been touched in some way. My grandmother, of course, was a victim as well. Talk about the Chao Family Comprehensive Cancer Center. What work that you guys are doing, some of the most exciting projects, and how people can get involved to help you guys.
Sure. So we carry out cancer research from the most basic studies, say of cancer cells in a test tube, to human studies where we do actually clinical trials, and we test some of the latest treatments, devices, medications and drugs, biological agents in humans, sometimes for the very first time. It's a very important resource for the people in Orange County because it's the only way that patients can get access to the very latest treatments, which today are showing astounding efficacy. To get involved with the Anti-Cancer Challenge is really easy. We have a website. It is anti-cancerchallenge.org. Pretty easy to remember. The event itself is 2 days. It's June 10th and 11th over the weekend. On Saturday, June 10th, at Angel Stadium, we have a family festival. We're going to have a stationary bike ride, live entertainment, a beer festival, a kids ride, which benefits our pediatric cancer affiliate, that's Chalk Children's Hospital. And then on the main event day, Sunday, June 11th, we have a 5K run or walk, which is a timed event. We also have the bicycling event, which we have 4 different distances, 10 miles, 50 kilometers, which is a little over 30 miles, 100 kilometers, which is about 60 miles. And then for the real serious enthusiasts, we have a century ride, which is 100 miles.
Wow.
So they all start and stop there at Angel Stadium. And again, we have a finish line festival and live entertainment.
Well, at least the two of us are in for the beer festival.
Yeah, exactly.
That part sounds good.
All right.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.
We do. And again, you can find out more on the Cancer Challenge. It is June 10th and 11th at Angel Stadium. Again, for more information, go to anticancerchallenge.org.